Yes, sir, Tony.
Yes, sir.
But like your creativity and give you the daughter the name Tony.
You know, saying get it up, mother and father.
Mother and father.
Mother
Oh,
and Angela.
oh, and yeah, Tony. Oh, see. So you never call her Anthony.
Next time.
Next one.
Next one.
You hear that? The next one.
Next time.
Alright, you call creep on the one. No next one. This is what we do on the delivery trail. Find out exactly what's happening with our customers. Now this time that is collecting for his daughter Tony and daddy named Tony.
Right.
You see the creativity. I should name my daughter Danisha. Since I am done.
Right.
But we're not going down there. Next night. But since you always collect, or you should always shop for? You should always shop for?
Call it that. So
Call it that. Okay, so you think about the service then, since it's you.
The good man. All the while they good.
All well, good. Okay.
Good man. You don't complain yet.
Yet. Well, don't anticipate. I
Alright,
don't plan to disappoint you. See, now you're painting clothes like you know, there's some painting
No,
done.
man, some with the woodworking.
You do woodwork?
Yeah.
Okay, what kind of things you make, sir? Furniture?
Anything. Kitchen cupboard, everything.
Oh, you any good at all? You're really good?
No?
You're not really good. You're very good.
Yeah.
Very good. Oh, yeah. Nice.
Pay them and then advertise them.
Right. So the name of the business?
I know.
You hear that? Ideal Services. Anytime you want your cabinets, furniture, Daddy
Bed,
Tony.
everything.
Bed. Daddy
Right.
Tony have you covered.
Ideal.
You have a web page or something, social media, or a phone number. Daddy, tell him a phone number so we can reach you.
307-2892.
That is 876-307-2892. Ideal. You can find Daddy and he'll be able to sort out the furniture them for you and the cabinetry. This is how we do it on the delivery trail. Once more, peace out.